Hi, Geniverse. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about my huge mistake that I want to share to all of you regarding my dormant habitat as you're seeing now on the screen. But before I proceed on that, please be aware that you can sort my YouTube channel by playlist if you want to just see specific videos that I make. For example, I do a lot of short videos, less than 1 minute videos about some tips and tricks and new projects that I'm into, like the dot moves. I also support read on, some videos with Step Up, of course, Genopets, Sleepagochi, Step N, XCAD, and many other games. So you can sort my channel by playlist if you just want to view some specific videos. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed with my learning. So basically, this is about the recent upgrade that I made with my level 1 habitat. I think I've upgraded it just a few days or a few weeks ago, and I was just shocked the other day that it went into dormant. And upon chatting with the different moderators in the Discord server of Genopets, I figured out that when you upgrade a habitat, it doesn't really refresh as per white paper, as per my understanding. So there are two things here that had happened. It's either I didn't read this part on the white paper where it says upgrading a habitat increases its present durability by 90. This allows the player to repair their habitat additional 90 times before this dormancy. This benefit takes effect once upgrade from level 1 to 2 and level 2 to 3. Note, this is the big note, the habitat lifespan not affected. It's only its durability is increased. When the habitat is revived, it will regain its full durability. So, in short, I think I have upgraded my habitat when they are, I think, 2 days life remaining, or maybe 1 day remaining. But in saying that, I'm still, I cannot figure out how can I check the repair that I'm doing daily, because I'm pretty sure I'm repairing them daily. And usually I repair by batch of 3, 4, or 5 crystals, meaning to say I'm expecting them to be stacking up depending on how many days that I had repaired them. That's why I was just shocked one day one of them is already dormant, meaning to so it's either I miss on the repair or I don't know what had happened there. All I know is I'm repairing daily and I won't let it go to 0. So in saying that, this table only pertains to the new habitat. So don't get misled like what had happened to me. I thought it will add an extra 90 days and an extra 90 durability. That's why it becomes 180. But apparently, as per note, that the lifespan is not affected. So if you upgraded when the lifespan is 1 or 2, it will remain the same. It will just give you an extra 90 days. So yeah, that's basically the first lesson that I learned, which is read and remember white paper. So read properly, read everything, make a note. Possibly I had read this clause. Possibly I had read this clause in the past, but maybe because the time that I'm reading this to the time that I had upgraded, because it's basically like 180 days almost, right? If I use the full 90 durability and 90 days lifespan, it's like a span of 180 days before I upgraded my level 1 to level 2. So make a note of that. And of course, if you don't make a note, just make sure to remember. So number 2 is strategize. So basically, upgrading is only good for new habitats. So if your habitat is already same like me, it's nearing towards the dormancy, then I guess it's not really good to still upgrade it. But of course, if you have no choice and you bought a habitat which is already near the end, then basically you just make sure that the lifespan, whatever is the last one, will remain the same, and you can only add using the durability that you got, which is extra 90 only. It's not 180 as shown in the white paper, because that's for the new habitats only. So the reason why actually I'm sharing my mistake, guys, is I'm hoping no one will create or waste a habitat just like me. So at least if it happened to me, I hope all of you, those, especially those who own the habitat right now, to learn from this mistake that I made. And for me, I'll at least it will justify the the frustration, the sadness that I felt when I made this mistake. Obviously, my habitat is now dormant, and the only way to revive is to restore using key. And if you're not aware how much is the restoration cost, you can just come back here on the maintenance and decay, and you can see the revival cost. Okay, so once you revive a, say, level 1, 1,800, you can gain a durability of 90. So as upon reading, I didn't see that you can get a 90 lifespan again. I'll just double check again later, because I don't want to assume again. I don't want to assume again that it will also revive the lifespan, because as per table, it will only regain the durability. So I hope that's loud and clear to all of you guys. At least if I can say at least single one person to not commit the same mistake, at least it will give me a relief. And at least on my side, I was able to pass on the message, and at least it will help me, make me happy if I will save some of you to committing the same mistake. But in saying that, I have good news for those who wants to have a habitat, because I'll be giving away my 2 dormant habitat. One is level 1. You need 1,800 key to restore. So that's level 1. And I have another, no, there's only one, not 2. There's only one level 2 where you can also restore by using 4,200 key. So if you want to know how much is key, if you don't have key in your in your wallet, you can go to CoinMarketCap. At the moment, key is 0.021 as of the time of recording. So during the time you're buying, please check again how much is the key token. As we know, this changes every now and then. So I'm leaving it up to you guys to calculate how much will it cost you to revive the habitat for level 1 and level 2. Now, how do you join? On the comment section, you type if you want level 1 or level 2. Or maybe if you want both, you can just type both. So I will do the live raffle 1 week after the posting of this video. So today is Feb 28. So around March 8, guys, around March 8. So if anyone is again interested, please comment on the description, on the comment section of this video, if you want to join the raffle for level 1 or level 2 or both. Okay, so I will just put here as well. Or if you want both. Don't forget, guys, you need to bear yourself. You need to have 1,800 key, 1,800 key, or 4,200 key for level 2. So yeah, and I apologize that I can only give away my dormant habitat, but yeah, it's up to you. If you wanna use this. Otherwise, I'm just thinking if no one wants it, I might try to restore once I have the enough key on my hand. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the very, very sad learning that I have. But yeah, it happens not only in crypto, not only in the app, but even in real life. Once we learn from my mistake, then I guess I'll be better in the next NFT or the next upgrade that I will be doing. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think? What did about my mistake? Did you understand what I'm trying to say here? And of course, each time you find value to the video I produce, please hit the like button and also share to the Genopets Genoverse, just so also they will learn from this. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, let's go and terraform.